There are creatures in the wild that break every rule of biology. They survive in environments that should be lethal. They possess abilities that look like science fiction. These are not myths. They are not folklore. These events and behaviors are recorded in scientific journals, field reports, and biological records. Today, we uncover 10 weird animal facts that sound completely fake, but they are 100% real. 1. A snail can sleep for 3 years. This is not a choice. It is a survival tactic called estivation. In times of extreme drought, the snail retreats into its shell and seals the opening with mucus. Its heart rate drops to almost nothing. It stops moving. It stops eating. This is a documented record from the British Museum. A desert snail was glued to an identification card for 4 years before staff realized it was still alive. It woke up as soon as they placed it in water. 2. The Alaskan wood frog freezes solid during the winter. Its heart stops. Its blood stops flowing. By all medical definitions, it is dead. But it has a biological glitch. It floods its cells with glucose, which acts as a natural antifreeze. The water around the cells freezes, but the cells themselves remain intact. When spring arrives, the frog thaws from the inside out. Within hours, its heart starts beating again. It simply hops away. 3. An octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third circulates it to the rest of the body. But the third heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims. This is why they prefer crawling. Swimming is physically exhausting for them. Their blood is blue because it uses copper instead of iron to transport oxygen. This is a documented adaptation for survival in cold, low-oxygen water. Nature is absurd. If you're finding these biological secrets as interesting as I am, follow Wildly Weird. We uncover the documented reality of our world every week. Script 4. The pistol shrimp can create temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. It doesn't use its claw to bite, it uses it as a weapon. When it snaps its claw, it shoots a jet of water so fast it creates a cavitation bubble. When that bubble collapses, it produces a sonic blast of 218 decibels. For a fraction of a second, the temperature inside that bubble reaches 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The shockwave is enough to stun or kill its prey instantly. Script 4. The pistol shrimp can create temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. It doesn't use its claw to bite, it uses it as a weapon. The axolotl can regrow its own brain. This is a documented biological anomaly. While most animals grow scar tissue after an injury, the axolotl transforms its cells back into stem cells. It can regenerate limbs, hearts, spinal cords, and even large portions of its brain without any loss of function. Scientists are currently studying their DNA to understand how they bypass the laws of aging and injury. Script 4. The pistol shrimp can create temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. It doesn't use its claw to bite, it uses it as a weapon. 6. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Dolphins typically need to surface for air after 10 minutes. A sloth, however, can slow its heart rate to 1/3 of its normal pace. This allows them to stay submerged for up to 40 minutes. They are surprisingly efficient swimmers, using their long arms to move through the water 3 times faster than they move on land. Six. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. 7. The platypus hunts with its eyes, ears, and nostrils closed. It uses electricity. It is one of the only mammals capable of electroreception. Its bill is covered in thousands of sensors that detect the tiny electrical impulses generated by the muscles of its prey. It sweeps its head side to side, mapping the riverbed in total darkness. It is essentially a living metal detector. Wombat droppings are cube-shaped. This prevents them from rolling away, allowing the wombats to mark their territory on rocks and logs. 9. A jellyfish is 95% water. It has no brain, no blood, and no heart. Yet, they have survived 5 mass extinctions. 10. Koala fingerprints are so similar to human fingerprints that they have actually contaminated crime scenes. Even under an electron microscope, experts struggle to tell them apart. The world is full of things that sound like fiction, but the more we look, the more we realize that nature doesn't follow our rules. These events are recorded. These animals are real. Stay curious. Follow WildlyWeird for more documented absurdity.